What is up, everybody? We are back here again in lovely, lovely downtown Norfolk. It is Valentine's Day weekend. Privacy, please. Okay, we are here for a little short stay at the Norfolk Hilton Main. There's our room right there. Room 2021. We're on the 20th floor. We're going to do a little bit of a room tour for you guys like we normally do. So let's get started. Bam! Here we go. All right, so we're going to start off with this little section here. Here is a little closet for you guys to put all your stuffs. And they actually have a safe. Awesome. Great. Do have a safe here. They do have a little mini fridge, which is also great. Nothing in it, which is better than great. Coffee maker, a little mini Keurig with some little coffee pods in there. I'm sure you can get more upon request. We've got here full-length mirror. Hello, how are you? There's a little perv in the corner over there. And yeah, full-length mirror. We're gonna go into the bathroom. This section of the bathroom looks pretty nice. Nice and bright and vibrant. We got some Crabtree soap, dual sinks, little backlit mirror. We got the stuff on the wall here. We'll come in here for your toilet. Now this really disappoints me here. This really disappoints me that it is a tub and not a walk-in shower. That kind of sucks, but is what it is. Right there is a little recessed light. There's all your other stuff. And we're gonna walk in here. It is a conjoining room. We have the 2 queen beds right here. We've got USB port right here. There's only one of them though, so that kind of stinks. The headboard's a little beat up. It's like holes in the headboard. There's another big old mirror there. Look at that. Look, another one right there. Another hole, more holes in the headboards. Yeah, they need some reupholstering. Got your little desk here to do some work on. Here's a map of the area. We're sitting at about somewhere around this area right here, I believe. Should be somewhere right there.
On the other side of the water?
We're in Norfolk, yeah, right here.
Oh.
And there's the TV right here, remote. And you can't get in here. They don't want you to get in this drawer for some reason. And we got some storage here. Nice chair. And then here's the view. So we did get the river view room. Got the full river view. That kind of stinks. I hate when hotels have a little jutting outpost there because then you kind of lose a little bit of privacy. And but there's the World Trade Center thingy, I think it is, right there, Federal Building, right there. And of course the river across the water, right there. You guys have seen this many times on our channel. From some of the things, there's Waterside District right there, where we love the Macaroni and Cheese Fest. Goes on right there. And then right down here, we've done a video here at the Grain, right there. At that's where the brunch buffet is.
Oh, right over the Grain.
Yeah, right there. So they got the fire pit going right there. You probably can't see the flames, but there is a fire pit going right there. But we have dinner tonight somewhere else, somewhere down that way. And that's probably going to be about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. I can't really tell you how much it costs because I paid with a little bit of points that I had, but it was somewhere in the ballpark of like 200. It was under 300 a night. It was somewhere like maybe 230 a night regular if you just paid for it. So somewhere around there. Decent room. Kind of sucks there's no walk-in shower because I love my walk-in showers. But other than that, that's all we got for you. So make sure you guys like and subscribe for more stuff in the future. Oh, and she's got some Veuve Clicquot. Yeah, that's all we got for you guys. So tripping ain't easy, but it sure is fun.